it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I have the Voger, V-O-G-E-R, and it's the F1001 digital photo frame. So we're gonna check this thing out. I've used a few different digital photo frames if you've looked at my stuff before, but I wanna check this one out here. This one's good because it's got a 10.1 inch screen and it's 1280 by 800, so it's like a super high resolution, and it comes with like 16 gigs of memory already in it, so I don't even have to add any kind of extra SD card or any of that stuff. So it's gonna, that 16, that'll hold a ton of pictures. So I guess you can probably put some videos even on there too with that. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So let's see, how do we open this here? Let me cut it open. And this is what it looks like. Wow, beautiful. Okay, so inside here we have the manual. Boy, that's with the light on, it's hard to see it, but there you can see the manual. It's actually a pretty decent size. And let's see, yeah, the words are actually a decent size in there and stuff, so you can read it and see what to do. And then we have this is the frame right here. And taped closed. We will open that up. And I think this is a new version for these guys. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's got a nice looking little frame around it. So you see it's got that wooden frame around it, and I can see the little clips in the back. So if you don't like the frame around it, you'd be able to just take it off. But I am gonna leave that frame around it because it matches all my stuff. It's almost the same color as all that cabinetry. And then this is the stand. So you just, I guess if you want it to be up and down, you would go like this and put it, you would put it in there. Let me see. It's hard for me to see because I have the ring light here. If I stand back here, I can see the direction there. So it would be like that, or I would probably put it sideways like that, I think. So I'm gonna put that one in there, and there we go. So it'll stand up like this. I can't really see it, but it'll stand up like that. And that's what's in there. And then we're gonna look at the accessories box, which I'm guessing is gonna have the power cord and whatnot in there. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the accessories. So the accessories is a power cord. There it is. And how do I undo this? It's hard to do it with just the light shining in my eyes. Normally it would go faster and easier. So let me plug this in, and we'll plug it into this. See where it plugs in. You can see over here, you've got the ports. So here you have it looks like micro USB. So you can probably power it with micro USB or import photos or something to in there. Oh yeah, it says it right there. Reset, USB, micro USB, SD card, and DC. So I'm guessing this is gonna go into DC, and you can put a SD card in there. So we'll put it on there, and you can see here's the power button. And, oh wait, there was a button there. It said reset. Well, it's turning on. I don't know what I pushed to turn it on, but it says Voger on there. So we're gonna check this out and see what it does when it turns on. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna turn off the ring light here so we can see what it's doing here. Hopefully you can see now. It won't reflect too much. And this is the first time I'm seeing it too, so let's see what happens. Choose your language. I speak English. Let's see, I'll put it up there. English, next. Scan the QR to download. And I am gonna download this on my iPad here, so let's go into my photo mode. Let me first, I'm gonna put this down for a second. I have to unlock my iPad. And then we will go into, where's the pictures? Oh, camera there. Okay. So, I have a little cover of it. I have to open that up. So now we will scan this QR code in there. And I don't know if you saw that, but it popped up a link and it goes to aiframe.net. And there we go. So we want to download this from the App Store in Apple. And this is it here. It's called Share Life Frame. And I want to install this. Oh man, I need to know my password. What is my password? Oh, I did have it right. Okay, so it's downloading the app right now. I think I might do like a speed up thing just for some of this stuff because I don't know what my internet's doing. Now it's installing it. It's probably updating all my other apps that are on this thing. There we go, open. And there it is, Voger. It looks like it's made for an iPhone, not for an iPad, but we will zoom it up. So let's see, I want to create an account. My email is that. My password is, I don't know, it's just, what's it called, Voger? Voger. V-O-G-E-R. My first name is Neil. Last name. Okay, done. Sure, I agree. I read all your privacy policy. Last names must be composed of 1 to 20 characters, numbers, and underscores. Well, that is my last name. Did I put a space in that? Okay, let's just change my last name to Smith. Weird, it didn't like my one there. Let's see, what I call it, Voger. Okay, this photo frame is not around or the search failed. Okay, so it says it would like to use Bluetooth. I'm gonna say, yeah, let's use Bluetooth. Ooh, looking for the frame, the photo frame, and there it is, 2603. And I'm gonna say add. And there it is, we'll allow while using the app to, did you see my location? Okay, for the what? Now I have to put in my Wi-Fi password for the frame. So that is, okay. It says the device is networking, 27 seconds to go. And there it is. So it has a frame ID and frame email. So my name is Neil. So there, so that says congratulations. And now I'm gonna put in my name, Neil. And then I want to invite friends. I am not gonna invite any friends now because I have no friends. Let's see. And then it says select photos. So let's see what photos I wanna add. I'll add this, this. Oh yeah, this was the cool table I saw. Okay. So, oh, and then what was that? Some sort of Zoom call or something. Okay, whatever. Oh, here's a cool picture of me. Okay, so done. So, would you like to access your photos? We'll just say keep current selection. And I'm guessing we just check which ones we want. So I'm gonna select, well, that's just a couch, but okay. Where's all the rest of the pictures I added? Well, we're gonna send these 3 to my frame. It says, do not close the app. The dialog box will disappear automatically when the files are sent. So 3 photos have been sent. So here, I'm gonna check this. And it says, Neil Smith sent you photos. And there are the photos. So here it is in the frame. So this will just kind of shows up and pretty sweet. Oh, I guess when you send 3 photos, it shows up in a montage like that. So let me choose some more photos. I'm gonna take a picture of me right now and we're gonna send that to it. Let's see. Okay, send. So now it should be sending that to here. Oh, Neil sent photos with you, see? So there it is. And there's my photos. And there it is. Boy, that's a clear picture. That's a good looking guy. And if I change it the direction, will it change automatically? Maybe not. Oh, look at that. It's like a whole home screen. I can have my favorites, I can do video, my name, frame photos. That's pretty sweet. I'm gonna say I like this thing. Here's my couch the chair I like. And this was a cool looking table that I liked. I saw this table one time and it like rotates and gets bigger. And I got one like that, but mine isn't see-through. I liked it. And let's see what my anniversary looks like. There is no anniversary. And that's it. So, oh, and then I could hide some photos, I guess, if I wanted to. But But I like this. It's pretty easy to use, man. It's simple. You saw how I did this without even reading an instruction. And I got it going here, and this is the app. Super simple to use. I guess it only lets you do like the 3 photos at a time, so I probably have to go and select more photos. But it's cool, and you can add more frames. You can do other stuff with it. So I like this thing. This is a really cool frame. Definitely worked on the Wi-Fi. It's on my Wi-Fi, and it's just connected and going. And you saw I got it going in like 5 minutes. So however long this video is, like 10 minutes, but that was also because it was downloading the app. But so that's it. I mean, you can get this thing going super quick. This would be good to like send to like a grandparent or something, or any relative. You just send it to them, and then they put it in their house, and then magically you start sending pictures to it, and things start showing up. So it's great. So I've had a few different versions of these kind of frames before, and they are super cool, and I love them. It's kind of cool the way it shows up. So sometimes it does a little, where it's got the 2 pictures together, and sometimes it just does singles. So I don't know how it's picking that. I'm guessing if I play around with the settings more, I'll see a lot more different options in there. But I like it, so definitely pick one up for these for yourself. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description down below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other cool things that I review soon. Definitely love this thing. Oh man, that was so sweet the way it just transformed. It's just like a cube rotation. I guess it just goes between the pictures, really cool. So I like this, this is nice. So thanks for watching, bye everyone.